Hello dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golapachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's class I am going to explain the next topic that is given in your Tune into Grammar book, that is one and many. Student, in my previous video I have already completed the chapter number 1, that is naming words and its exercises. So now moving to the next, that is one and many. So for that, first of all, you all take out your Tune into Grammar book and open page number 9. So on page number 9 there is a topic, that is chapter number 2. The topic name is one and many. So we're going to learn about that, what the meaning of one and many. So dear student, we have already learned about the naming words, and we have learned that naming word is a name. And now we're going to learn that what is one and many. It means singular noun and plural noun. What is singular noun or plural noun? So singular noun means a noun that names one person, animal, place or things is called a singular noun. Okay. For example, we can say a boy, cow, cat, house, father, etc. And there is a plural noun. What the meaning of plural noun? What do you understand by plural noun or many? So a noun that names more than one person, animal, places or things is called a plural noun. Okay. Here is we going to discuss about what is one and many. One means the person, things, places or animals in one in number, and many it means there is more than one person, places or things, animals. Okay student. So these are the meaning of one and many. For example, we can say that in many that there is a boys, girls, cats, cows, houses, flowers. So we have to change the given one word into many by adding s or es. We have to learn in this given topic that how could we change the one word in a many words. Okay. So you have learned about naming words. There is a activity for you. You have to do it, that is you have learned about naming words. So look at these pictures, count the numbers of objects, write down the numbers in the blanks. So first of all we are going to count and write the given things, given objects, and according to that counting we have to write the number on the given blanks. So first of all there is a toffees. So let's count the number of toffees. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many toffees are here? So here are total 5 toffees. So we have to write the number of toffees. So there is total 5 toffees. Okay. So we have to write here 5 toffees. Now the next is kite. So tell me how many kites are here. So 1, 2, 3. There is total 3. So we have to write here 3. Now the next is pencil. So there is only one pencil. So we have to write here 1. So student, these are the examples of one and many. We can see there is a one pencil and there is a more than one kites and more than one toffees. Okay. So as you can see there is, we have to use s or es. Okay. Now the next is comb. So there are total 2 combs. So we add s at the last of this word. So it will be in many form. It will change in many forms. So here are total 2 combs. So we have to write the number 2. Okay. Now the next is there is one rose. So we can see here there is no uses of s or es because it is ones in number. Okay. So we have to write here only 1. So dear student, let's move to the exercises. Look at these pictures. Student, look at these pictures. So here is one book. We can see there is how many books are here? So only one book. And in the second picture you can see there is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There is total 4. So we have to change this given one books into many books. So we have to add s. Okay. We have to add s at the end of this given word of books. Okay. So it will be many books. Now the next, one fruit. So in the many parts it will be many fruits. One house. So many houses. Now next is one camel, many camels. So student, did you notice that as gets added to these naming words when they change from one to many? Did you notice in the given words, that is s gets added to these naming words when they change form one to many. Okay, read this table of one and many. So there is pin. In many form it will be pins. Cap, caps. Lamp, lamps. Bag, bags. Toy, toys. Bird, birds. Jar, jars. Bottle, bottles. So student, that you seen that there is, we have to use as to change this given one word into many form. Okay student. So now next, now read this table. Now read this table, and there is very important notes for you. You must be read it that we add s or es to the naming words to show more than one. Okay, why we using s or es? We using s or es to show more than one. Okay, we add s or es to naming words to show more than once. Okay, there is a one form, and when we change this given one form into many form, so that time we have to use s or es to change this one word into many forms. Okay, so let's have a quick overview on this given word. There is a fox, so it will be foxage. Dish, dishage. Dress, dressage. Bus, busage. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Watch, watches. Dress, dressage. So dear student, we add es to the naming words ending in x, sh, double s, s, tcs to show many. We can see in this given word there is a last letter is x, sh, double s, s, o, ch and double s. So when we see in this given letter, we have to add their es. Okay, we add es to the naming words ending in x, sh, double s, s and tcs to show many. Okay student, so let's do the exercise according to the knowledge of ones and many. So read this word, put a tick in front of the words that means many. So first is roses. So tell me, it is a examples of many or ones. So yes, we all can see there is a uses of s. So we can say that it is the example of many. So yes, we have to take the given box. It means many. Now the second is girls. So yes, it is also an example of many. So we have to take it. A third, star. No, it is not, because there is no usage of s or es. Number 4, bags. Yes, it is example of many. So we have to take here. Now the next number 5, there is a eraser. So no, this is not example of many. So we can't take the given box. Now the next number 6, kites. Yes, so we have to take it. Now 7, no, there is no usage of s or es. In number 8, hat, there is no usage of s or es. Now the next number 9, rivers. So yes, it is example of many. So we have to take. Now the number 10, that there is hotel. So no, there is no usage of s or es. So we can't use the s or e. We can't tick the given box. Okay, and this trend, there is a important things for you. Do you know words like pants, scissors, swords and trousers have no words to show their one form, because these given words are already plural word. Okay, we can't show their singular form. Now moving to the next, that is name this picture, use word from the box. So student, we have to use words from the box according to the given pictures. Okay, so there is a first, there is a 6. So what is this? Tell me. You can identify the given picture. First of all, you have to identify, and after that write down. So these are mangoes. So we have to write here 6 mangoes. What is the spelling of mangoes? You have to choose the spelling of mangoes into the given brackets. So the spelling of mangoes are mangoes. Mangoes. We have to use es. Why we using es? Because in the word of mango, we can see the last letter is o, and we all learn that when the words end with x, ch, o, double s, so that time we have to use es to showing their many forms. Okay, and here are total 6 mangoes, so it is more than one. So yes, it is a form of many. So show the form of many, we have to use es. Okay, so it will be 6 mangoes. Now the next is 3. So what is this? So this is watch. We have to write here watches. We have to write here watches. 6 watches, 3 watches, 6 mangoes, 3 watches. Now that there is 4, so that is mugs. So we have to write here mugs. What is the spelling of mugs? M-U-G-S, mugs. Okay. Now the next is, there is 3. What is this? So these are trees. So we have to write here trees. What is the spelling of trees? T-R-E-E-S, trees. Okay. Now the next 7. What is this? These are flowers. So we have to write here flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Now the next is brush. So there are total 3 brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Okay student. Now the next is, so here are total how many cars? So total 6 cars. So we have to write C-A-R-S, cars. Now the next is, next picture of rats. So we have to write here rats. What the spelling of rats? R-A-T-S, rats. Okay, R-A-T-S, rats. So we have to write here rats. Now the next 7. So what is this? So these are bananas. These are 7 bananas. So we have to write the spelling of bananas here. Okay. Now the next, tell me what is this? So these are dogs. So we have to write here dogs. D-O-G-S, dogs. Okay student. So like this we have to complete this exercises of this chapter. Now next is exercise B. In exercise B, add S or ES to make the many forms of these words. So dear student, I will explain this next remaining exercises in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. And dear student, you also learn about the ones and many and how could we change this one into many form. Okay student, I hope is that clear to you that how could we change the given one word into many form. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.